Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable parental control on Google TV. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google TV app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Google TV settings. Then you can see the option of parental control. Tap on it. Then again you can see the option of parental control. Turn on it by tapping on it. Then verify that it's you. So this is how you can enable parental control on Google TV. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.